मैं मेरी फेवरेट हूँ. Ever felt like that? Fulfilled and contented. That is the energy of Devi Siddhidhatri. Siddhidhatri, which means the giver of wisdom. She represents completeness and wholeness from deep within. A woman who is in her stage of feeling complete and fulfilled, deeply satisfied with her life. Also full of wisdom. So Siddhidhatri teaches us 3 lessons. Self-realization is the key to our true potential. Also, spiritual growth is the ultimate goal of our life. And true wisdom is the greatest wealth. तो सब कहो मिलके मैं मेरी फेवरेट हूँ. Be in that energy where you're feeling fulfilled, happy, contented and happy from within. May God Siddhidhatri bless you with a feeling of fulfillment.